Good evening, everybody from Cairns, Queensland, Australia. We got the tropical far north. We're just in the valley, south of Cairns. Got some firewood. It's my birthday tomorrow. The creek's over there. What else is going on? Oh, we want dinner. What are we having for dinner? Got our supplies. Got some bacon for breakfast. We got some Wagyu beef burgers. Got some canisters for the cooker. A bit of, we're going to have a nice little celebration, a quiet one. Got some playing cards and some art. Nice wood from Gordonvale service station. Just on the corner as you go into the Gillies Range. The tents are here. Might have a cuppa, might have a fish. See what happens. I bought a candle too. Dinner's ready. Got another fire pit over here. Sorry, can you see that? I'm an amateur here. What's going on down here? Can we see this? We're at the creek. A little bit of light action down there. What's going on down there? The butane cooker. Bit of coffee. Went to Bunnings today and got some supplies. Oh, look at the fire! Cool as. That's good wood from Gordonvale. Have a good night, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'll be 54, and everything will be... Oh, I haven't looked at the weather. I'm leaving it as a surprise. There's the moon up there. Some trees with some... Here we go. When camping in far north Queensland, come and check out the Goldsboro Valley near Gordonvale. Stay safe, everyone, and have a great night. Good night.